The article in the HousingWire publication titled "Profit Margins Are Up for Home Flips, But There's a Catch" by Jeff Andrews and dated September 20, 2024, provides an interesting data on profits from house flipping. It says, after years of declines, home flipping profits are coming back. That's according to a report released this week by Adam, which showed that the typical profit on a flip in the second quarter of 2024 was 30.4%, the fourth time in 5 quarters that margins rose. Adam said that flippers have struggled in comparison to other types of sellers in recent years because they've exhibited an unusual pattern of timing the market poorly. The string of profit margin gains could be a signal that flippers are beginning to self-correct. The spring home buying season of 2024 brought another sign of hope for home flippers that the rebound in fortunes that began for them last year was more than just a temporary thing, Adam CEO Rob Barber said in a statement. It's not as if profits have shot through the roof and investors are riding a new wave of good times. Far from it, as they continue to struggle to benefit from the broader market boom. But the second quarter numbers did show another step in the right direction. The report comes with a few caveats. Adam measures the profit margin on home flips by subtracting the median purchase price from the median resale price, so costs related to renovations, mortgages and property taxes eat into the final margin. The typical margin of 30.4% is down a whopping 26 percentage points compared to its peak in 2016. Measured in dollar amounts, gross profits for home flips reached roughly $73,500 in Q2 2024, down from a high point of $81,000 in 2022 but above last year's low of $61,000. Underscoring the struggles for home flippers are sale prices. Median home prices for single-family homes and condominiums rose 9% compared to the previous quarter and were up 6% year-over-year, but prices for flipped homes rose only 2%. The share of home sales that were flips fell to 7.5% in Q2 2024 after reaching 8.7% in the first quarter. The share of flips fell across 85.9% of the 185 U.S. metropolitan areas analyzed. With the market rising amid tight supplies of homes for sale around the country and falling interest rates, conditions appear ripe for more improvement over the rest of the year as long as prices don't shoot up past what most buyers can afford, Barber said. End of the article. The Adam findings seem very encouraging, but their research appears to have been performed nationwide, which means that properties from California and Ohio might have been mixed into one dataset, creating an average that may not reflect the market conditions in any specific locations. Prop Shop recommends that investors research the local market conditions for each deal, including homes for sale and sold in the past 1 to 2 months, average days on the market, months of inventory, and the history of price cuts for the past 1 to 2 months to make sure that the potential flip is located in a good rising market. Although this data might be harder to find, it can make a difference between a profitable flip and a break-even situation, so this data is worth searching for. For historical home market performance data in North Texas, visit Prop Shop 1 forum to find information about the best zip codes to invest in, the upcoming commercial developments in that area, and the monthly home market updates. May the math be with you for your next flip, and see you at the next video.